We are launching a news app to communicate with people who want to know more about what we do at DuPont. DuPont has many compelling stories to tell, and we wanted these stories to be accessible to employees, their friends and family, our customers, and everyone we work with. The app is not a place for copy-pasting press releases. We'll be posting stories that offer interesting perspectives on the work that we do at DuPont. What we want to do with the app is show the effect that we have on the wider world to the wider world, not just inform the world that we exist. We live in a digital age where we are in constant conversation, whether it's with our friends on Facebook or the vast online conversation that is Twitter. So all our articles can be shared and become part of that conversation or simply shared by email. If you like an article, you can add it to your list of favorites, participate in a poll to let us know how you feel, or test your knowledge on related subjects in the quizzes. The app is available today, free on both iOS and Android devices. We hope you will engage with the app as we continue to improve and refine it over time, so check it out.